Hello second year master students, linguistics. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Melika Kuti. I begin with intercultural communication as I promised. So, let's begin. When people travel from a country to another, they need to communicate with people in the other country. Because each party has its own culture, they may face a problem in communication. When people communicate, they share information. And this process of sharing information with people with different cultures is referred to as intercultural communication or cross-cultural communication. So the aim of this lecture is to shed light on intercultural communication as a term and study. So, what is intercultural communication? Before answering this question, there is a need for defining culture and communication. Good. Culture is best defined as a set of beliefs and values which are prevalent within a society. This is according to Carter 1993. It embraces the habits, customs, social behavior, knowledge, and assumptions associated with a group of people. And it should not be reduced to foods, fairs, folklore, and statistical facts. Culture also describes the lifestyle of groups of people. Now, according to the Longman Dictionary of Language Teaching and Applied Linguistics, communication is the exchange of ideas, information, etc. between two or more persons. In fact, it is the sharing of understanding and meaning across cultures. Good. So, what is intercultural communication then? The term intercultural communication refers to the sharing of information between groups of people of different cultures. As a discipline, it studies how culture affects communication. Intercultural communication is an exchange of ideas, information, etc. between persons from different cultural backgrounds. In this sense, there are more problems in cross-cultural communication than in communication between two people of the same cultural background, in that each participant may interpret the other's speech according to his or her own cultural background. This may lead to communication breakdown when their cultural conventions are widely different. Nonetheless, intercultural communication happens even between subgroups of the same country due to the existence of many dialects of the same language, ethnicities, etc. Now, let's take a few examples of intercultural communication. An Algerian student studying in China, an American working in Algeria, a Muslim discussing with a Christian. So, I have to stop at here. I wish you have grasped the meaning of intercultural communication, and this is just the beginning. Wish you good luck, Dr. Melika Kuti.